Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to work on this. It's calipers. And they're rusted, and I thought they were stuck, but just a second ago I went like that and I realized they're just a little hard to open and close. Although I think that's what you want. You know, I'm a little leery about trying to loosen these up because I think you want them to stay pretty firm when you're using them. I'm not exactly sure what all the uses are for these, but you know, for art I could see using them. But I'm sure in the shop there's some purpose, but it's a little beyond my pay grade. In any case, I like removing rust and I like making things shiny. So that will be my attempt today. Let's get started. Well, that is it. I think I did a good job on this one. You know, when you're using a flap disc on something that's so flat, it's real easy to tilt your flap disc one way or the other just a little bit too far, and then you've got a lot of compensating to do to make that wave go away. So I need to work on that, but I was able to fix it, and I put on I guess it was an 800 grit belt on the sander, and using that and a lot of patience, I just went over it again and again and eventually got it back down. So for the most part, it's good. There's a couple of little things, but you know, you wouldn't have known if I hadn't just told you. So, and as for my clickbait thumbnail, as to whether this was a weapon or not, you know, I was just kind of messing around in front of the camera when I took that picture, and decided to write a clickbait headline. The answer is no, it is not a weapon, but it could be used as one if you startle me when I'm in the shop. Of course, it could be used for other things too. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.